this bite which I am giving today, मुझे पिछले 7 दिन से पूछा जा रहा था कि मैं अपनी बाइट कब दूंगा, तो मैंने अपनी बाइट लास्ट डे तक के लिए बचा के रखी थी, सो दैट कि मैं 100% देख सकूं कि हमें क्या डिलीवर हो रहा है. बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे लाइक 15 पीपल दोज हु हैव ट्रस्टेड मी एंड केम टू फॉर दिस ट्रिप, मैं देखना चाहता था कि क्या वो चीज़ डिलीवर हुई कि नहीं. एंड टू माई सरप्राइज मैं हमेशा परफेक्शन के लिए काम करता हूँ, एंड एक्वाफायर एडवेंचर दे बीट मी इन दिस परफेक्शन थिंग.
So we are in Chandratal camp. It was an amazing night, though we had some complications with few people, but if we are able to control our breathing, we were able to do it. It was an amazing night. I believe it was -5, -6. We realized that what is our body limit, what it can take, and I'm sure if I was here for another 2 days, I'd have stayed like any other locals, just with a chappal, a Bermuda probably. That's what I realized, my body can take it.
So in this cold weather, in -2 degrees Celsius, if you have the lemon, so you feel much better. So try to have lemon when you feel cold or nauseous, or when your nose is not open yet fully, or if you feel something in your tummy, it will feel good.
The day when we saw these bikes, सबके ऊपर हमारा नाम लिखा हुआ था. मुझे लगता था कि हमें जाना पड़ेगा, हम आपस में फाइट करेंगे, कौन सी बाइक उठाएगा, कौन सी लेगा. लेकिन हमारी सरप्राइज ये था कि पहले दिन ही हमें उसके ऊपर नाम मिला. सो परफेक्ट. एंड ग्राउंड स्टाफ, ओह, they took care of like as a family, like out of this world.
Now we are heading to Manali.
Yeah.
Look here, snowfall is going on.
Terrifying. The endurance test हो रहा है हमारा.
नाम भाई क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
बेंजीन गन फटा हुआ है, देखिए अब.
इसको ही आना चाहिए, लेकिन एक बार तो लाइफ में चंद्रताल देखना चाहिए.
This is Jayavardhan. This is really fantastic and memorable trip, Spiti Valley, and especially these guys are very supportive and very much cooperative, very humble, and the trip was superb, but the roads are horrible actually.
Right now हम लोग अभी चाचा चाची के ढाबे में, तो ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है इस ट्रिप में हमारे लिए. आप इनसे मिल सकते हैं.
जय शंकर जी. 53 इयर्स हो गया यहाँ. मैं 19 साल था तब से बेटा, अभी मैं 74 साल का हूँ. तब से ढाबा चला रहा हूँ, लोग बचाता हूँ, लोग को खिलाता हूँ, पैसा नहीं हो तो फ्री खिलाता हूँ, फंस गए तो फिर पैसा बहुत कम लेते मैं.
इंजन भाई स्नो तो कवर किया ना.
यहाँ पहुँच के हाल है, मनाली पहुँच के क्या हाल होगा?
सही है.
Awesome. Thanks to Aquafire Adventure and our marshal.
Yeah. You rock man.
Heaven and earth.
इंजेक्टर बैठ गया भाई, करते हैं अभी कुछ जुगाड़, फिर बनाएंगे, फिर चलेंगे मनाली।
Part was like when we were coming from Kaza, when we were in Kaza, we were like having this kind of kind of information we were getting from sources that Kunjum Pass is not closed, we cannot go through, we cannot go to Chandratal, we cannot go to Manali. But our marshal was like, boss, मैं हूँ ना, जब तक मैं हूँ मैं लेके जाऊँगा, आप मेरे से बात करो, किसी और से बात मत करो. और फिर हमने वही किया, हमने ट्रस्ट किया. So everything was like perfect. From like Kaza we went to Chandratal, and from Chandratal today we finished and we came back to Manali, and everything was like too perfect.
बस मर जाएगा बंदा.
Thanks a lot.
Bye bye, Tinsan.
Bye. Miss you, Aquafire.
Bye. Take care.
Bye sir.
The thing is, like, each and every moment, like the every places which we visit, and there we used to talk about like how we came here, and that's the craziest thing, right? We used to talk like the terrain and all, we crossed it. Those are the things the 15 members we are sitting with, and we are talking each other and making fun of them. It was very nice actually. The moments we need to recollect it, no? That was the craziest thing we did it.
Yeah, so regarding the funny moments during the trip, so definitely we had a lot many moments. I think each day was different, and I think one special such moment was in the Chitkul, so where we stayed in the dining area, so where it was completely warmed up because the temperatures were really low. And I think after we were having good time with all of our friends, and we started with singing songs. So I mean, it went on for close to maybe for 3 hours. So I think everywhere in full Josh, and I mean, I don't know, we went back almost some 50-60 years old songs and all the way to the new songs.
Give an example, last night in Chandratal when there was a stay, last night stay. Literally, I just in the middle of something around night 10:30, 11 o'clock, I lost little oxygen levels. I felt little suffocation and all. Then Aquafire team has immediately, the minute I went out and I woken up them, immediately they come up with the oxygen cylinders, and they have called up the restaurant owner and all, and they literally, the way they have taken care is like a family people. They don't have a mindset of we log business ke liye, danda ke liye chala rahe. They never had. The way really they taken care of us, like, it is exceptional, and we felt that our family is with us. We never had the thought ki hum dur hai hamara family se. We are very happy for that. Once again, thanks is not it is really small thing for us, but no words to say. It's really thanks a lot for entire Aquafire team, which made this trip and giving us such a wonderful, the memory which we cannot ever, even it will be there till our last breath ki hum Chandratal tak lekar aa gaya.